live at the command center of the jwsolarusa. It's a sunny day here in Minnesota, and I'm heading to somewhere really private, which I'm heading south to meet with my main guy, Divorce the Horse, which I'm gonna be helping putting solar panels on a mid-sized bus, on a school bus, RV bus, or a Skoolie. Live here at jwsolarusa live, and like and subscribe. As we head right there, you can see the sun right on my chest. Then I have my Vikings jersey with Adrian Peterson. All right, guys, stay tuned, because I'm going to be bringing you live coverage how we're going to be mounting the solar panels so that he's going to be really sufficient and more efficient in the winter time, how everything's going to be working for him, because he's living in the bus. They already have a portable 12-volt generator, 8 kilowatt. If you haven't seen that video, go back and check on the playlist or on my new videos there. You can see how we tested the system. So I'm heading there right now, driving south, facing the sun. Look at that. Wow. Like and subscribe. All right, this is how it is. I'm showing you the sun. The sun is rising just past 9 o'clock, 11 after 9. And look at the sun. We just have a few clouds there, and we're driving towards south of the cities and doing a solar install. It's gonna be a beautiful day, I'm hoping. It's really cold. It's kind of cold. 35 degrees. The highest I think it's gonna go is 45 today. So like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. If the sun is on our favor, then we can do this install pretty easy, and we don't have to have trouble with our hands how we work outside. I don't know how long we're gonna be outside, so we're gonna be dealing with caulking and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know, this kind of temperature. Yeah, I know you guys are gonna comment about that too. If I don't know if it's gonna hold that much, but hey, keep fingers crossed. Like and subscribe.